Wala, naputol-putol na to.
Yan. Kita mo dapat may isa.
To transport the whole house into the middle of the desert where no one could find it.
Ha?
Mamaya ilatag na lang yan pagkatapos.
What have you done? There is Aladdin. You will never see him again. Now you are liable to me. You will do as I tell you.
Nalagyan mo kasi agad yung ano eh.
Now go and get me some wine and dinner. The princess did as she was told, but as she did so, she planned her escape too.
Wala na gusto yung kanya. Excuse mo. Kita kay basit dito yung...
She mixed some sleeping powder in his wine and
Ayan.
gave it to him.
So, lagyan
As
natin
soon
na...
as he drank it, he fell into a deep sleep. The
Muna.
princess quickly reached for the lamp
Saka natin.
and dropped it. The genie
Lagay.
appeared.
Ang dami dun, mahal ko.
Yes, mistress. How may I serve you?
Ma, gusto pala ni Janela yan?
Ha? Bibili
Gusto mo yan, Ella?
Yes,
Ella?
mistress.
Sarap yan? Aba, ang dami na pala yan,
The
Ella.
next moment, Aladdin was
Sarap?
there.
Sarap, Ella? Ito. Ang
He
lakas
saw
kasi
his
dito.
uncle sleeping and the genie present. He understood what had happened immediately. And back home, the genie did as told.
Ayan, naglalagay po tayo.
So, panghuli na ito.
And they continued to live their happy life.
I-cling wrap nyo, tapos i-video natin mamaya ng ano.
So he took the
Yung isang
high
gamitin mo,
road.
pangit tong red mo.
What a good man
Putol-putol.
Aladdin was. Yes, he was. Well, I think I too want to be honest
Saka ang lakas naman ng
and
TV.
sincere like him. I am never gonna look
Hindi
for
maayos yung video
shortcuts
natin pag
or
ano.
be lazy again, Tia.
Sabihan mo ikaw sumusunod sa yung ano.
For your favorite kind. Size has nothing to do with courage, Tofu. You don't have to be afraid just because you're sure. Have you heard the story of Peter Pan?
So yummy. Sobrang sarap po nito.
Ay! Wag, maalinsangan, Ella. Maalinsangan, Ella.
Once upon a time, in London, the darlings went out to a dinner party, leaving their 3 children,
Maalinsangan.
Wendy, John. After Wendy had tucked her younger brothers, John and Michael, to bed, she went to the loo.
Di ba nakakatakot magbiyahe pag gumaganyan?
Hindi.
Hindi makukuha?
Ha?
Hindi makukuha yung sasakyan.
Pang ano lang dyan, sa mga bukid, sa mga bundok, pagka ikaw lang mag-isa doon, siyempre walang ibang mapagdadaluyan yung lightning. So,
Kaya ganun.
possibility talagang ganon.
Nangunguha.
Hindi nangunguha. Kundi matatamaan ka ng yung kuryente. Malakas na kuryente kasi yan. Pero dito, marami siyang pwedeng tamaan na malalaking tower. Kaya maliit yung posibilidad na makatama yan sa baba. Kasi kuryenteng malakas yan. Dumadalo yan. Kung saan yung pinakamalapit, yun yung dadalaw yan niya.
Ipicturan ko pa. Di pa yan tapos. Mag-antay kayo.
So yan na yung finished product.
Malapit
Ah, hindi pa
na.
pala, binalot pa lang. Tapos
Ilalagay
palalamigin,
po sa ano.
palalamigin pa pala yan. brightness has been reduced to extend the recording time. Wala, hindi magandang pang ano pa. Mas maganda pa rin yung isa. Hindi maganda. Patay ng patay to.
Oh, ito na sa'yo, Ella. Huwag na pala, kulang na.
So ayan, may isa na lang. Yan pa, last na to. Oh! Tingnan mo, bakit nang patay?
Kapatay na.
Ba't namatay? Pangit po. So patapos na. So paano ulit yung ginawa natin, ma'am, dyan?
Ganun lang. Pinagtsagaan lang na inilagay-lagay ito. Sayang kasi, kaya inilalagay ko na lahat.
Ayusin niya kaya lang daw sana ano. Matagal ng order parang pinasa eh. Kung sito i-charge mo yung Sando, yung Gilmore. Gilmore. Doon daw maganda eh.
Gilmore.
Oo. LCD. Kami natin kalat. Ayan.
Tapos
Yes na.
sinugod niyo ulan, kuya?
Oo, lagay na natin.
Sinugod niyo ulan? Na may kaputi naman. Ito ba? Basang-basa kayo niya.
Sana eh.
And to the surprise of Wendy, John,
Ayan.
Peter
Sayang lang kasing biscuit, kaya nilagay ko na.
So wala nang durog to.
Meron. Marami pa nga itong durog. Pag hindi maubos, kay Ella na.
with children inside it.
Lagyan niya ng milk.
Some were huddled by the fire in a corner.
Hindi na. Hindi na siya makahalo. Wala na, hindi na mag-aano.
Tinkerbell and their guests. Hello
May
everyone.
order daw ng piyesta, baka matagal lang.
John,
I-charge mo nga. LRT daw yun.
Okay.
Ayoko, station yun. Station daw. Hindi ano mo nga.
staying with us
Doon niya maganda kasi doon.
Oh, ikling wrap na, oh.
Doon, pero may ano naman siya.
Yun, oh, front.
a few days passed.
Sayang, marami siyang
Ayan, so tapos na. Ibabalot na lang yan. Nabalot na yung isa actually. Ito na lang yung huli. Yan, ibabalot. I-click nyo up. Pati sa pagbabalot ng ano, ipapakita din natin sa kanyo. Ayan. So ganun lang kasimple.
Paikot ko.
Yan. So ganito kami ka dito. Pinapakita lahat ng proseso.
Juanita
Tumatawa ka.
as they were out exploring the island. Peter Pan
Yeah.
warned everyone.
Teamwork, right? Apo. Ayun daw, yung pinapanood ni
And they've kidnapped
Prinsesa.
the Indian princess.
Pinapanood ni Princess.
They kept her there, tied up by the rocks near the water.
O sige na, lagay mo na ito. Ano mo na.
Peter was afraid, and the princess
Ano?
would drown
Ano mo
if
na?
she
Kasama
fell
ba
into
yung
the
video?
water. She quickly
Close up
dived
pa. Ah,
into
sige
the
pa.
water
Ah,
and
makikita ba naman
swam
yung
into
design?
safety of her home.
So, ayan nga daw, yung finished product.
Nakagawa tayo ng dalawang
Everyone
malalaki.
found out how Peter Pan had rescued the princess.
Ano po yan? Overload?
When Captain Hook found out how
So,
Peter Pan had tricked his
May
men,
dalawang malaki at dalawang maliit kasama pa yung hiko.
to have his revenge.
So ayan, palalamigin na lang yan at pwede nang kainin. Okay. So ganun lang kasimple. So maraming salamat ulit sa panonood ng kanal. Ingat at God bless po everyone. So today nga is June 18, 2024. So ayan lang. Ito pa rin yung ating cooking 101 daw ito. Okay, so maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat. God bless po. Paalam po.
He raced towards Peter Pan.
So ayan na, palalamigin na muna ng mga 4 to 6 hours para mas masarap, mas malamig, mas masarap. Okay, so i-close na. Pagka-close, tapos na. Okay, so ayan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood. This is Chef Ising.
Ito po yung mangga galing pa sa Isabela. Yung ginamit namin galing pa sa Isabela.
Yan. Si Chef Ising, ang birthday girl.
No.
Hindi, yun. Ito din pala, si Francesa ang birthday girl. Okay, sige na. So hanggang dyan na lang muli. Salamat po sa panonood. Bye-bye po muna pansamantala.